currently hot stuff is the VW Golf Mark 8.5, and this is the Golf R Black Edition. So the Golf R, we all know, is a hot hatchback, one of the best hot hatchbacks available on the market, but in the Black Edition, it just means they're throwing a little bit more to it, and it makes it really desirable. This car has got the increased top speed. It's also got 333 brake horsepower. If you're new to the VW Golf R market, I should tell you it is also a 4Motion, which means it's four-wheel drive. The automatic gearbox, but the styling is magnificent. This is a 2025 74 registration, literally 200 odd miles on, so delivery miles. It's a 5-door, it's practical, it sounds fantastic, it goes really, really quickly. And in this case, being the Mark 8.5, they have made some few fine changes. Starting off with the front grille. So you can see this Fusion Blue LED strip lighting, but the full VW badging now illuminates as well. If you look at the sharper angles on the headlights and the flat piece at the bottom, and the detailing within the headlight has also changed if you look at it considering compared to a Mark 8. So that's really good. But then down below, which I've not seen anyone mention, you can get your fingers behind there. The air blades here, it's a bit of an aerodynamic kit really. This is slightly different. So the delve goes in, the wind goes through there, slides its way around the wheels, and aerodynamically, that would work fantastic. You've then got the gloss black sections, front rear parking sensors. This one then has the 19-inch, I think they call it Avarium wheels. I can't even pronounce it, but they're absolutely amazing. They look fantastic. It has that BBS style look to it, the multi-spoke, with the R badging just there. Black brake calipers. You've then got this lip at the top, again to protect it from little stones flicking up. Black wing mirror covers, some protection glass, and then you have got the all-important tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, well, the first thing you'll notice is that huge infotainment screen. This car also has the heated steering wheel and the heated seats because now you get the winter pack as standard on the Black Edition. It also has the extra driving modes available, so like the Nürburgring, for example, is there. You can configure it to your liking and set it differently. You've got the bucket style seating with the art stitched in on the top, that tartan spec as you'd expect from all the Golfs because they've had that since day dot. Like I said, some protection glass. Third zone climate in the back. And if you look down there, the rear seats are also heated now, which is lovely. So you do get loads of extras. In the previous model, you had to buy something called the R Performance Pack. So the Black Edition gives you that as standard now, which is the extended rear spoiler. And it does look really good. If I can draw your attention to this. So BMW did something called an OLED lighting system, organic lighting system to call it, organic LEDs. And this is a very similar effect. They're like thin blades of glass individually. It just looks really good. You've then got the tinted rear fascia as well. Quad tailpipe system. Again, black tips, and then you have the F1 style rear diffuser. The R badging in the middle, and then if you press the VW badge, the boot opens up, which then gives you this practical boot space. Seats go down 60/40. The car has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. This, just for me, is a fantastic looking car, has great performance, very reliable, and you know exactly what you're getting. Electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors. Sport pedals, I'll fire it up straight away. Paddle shift, a lot of blue detailing being the Golf R. Nice leather wrapped, and the stitching is blue there as you can see. Full digital driver zone just there. Put it into reverse, and there's a reversing camera system. That's a good size screen. There's your heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, different settings. This is great. Twin cup holders down below. You've got wireless charging pad down here. And then you have more cubby hole space there. Lovely. In white as well, because the last few we had a blue, and they've sold instantly. We had a black one in the mix of it, and I do believe there's also another blue one turning up later on today. Mark 8.5 Golf R Black Edition with literally delivery miles on, with the sliding roof. Beautiful. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.